Good morning, Leah Shulabad here, CEO and IT Princess of Power at Intex Solutions. This message is for all of my manufacturing friends. You are doing an amazing job right now. I have witnessed personally so many of my clients and my friends who have stepped up during this time, not only to continue to operate and to keep our economy going, but also who have switched gears to be able to provide respirator parts or face shields, whatever we need right now to fight this pandemic. It has been an honor and a privilege to be able to serve you. And because of this, I want you to know that I am here no matter what it is that you need. In fact, we are actually offering any manufacturer right now the ability to have access to our work from home remote access software at no cost at all until the end of April. And if you need anything, please PM me, email me. I want to help you. I want to help you to keep going. That is why we exist, and we're here for you. So again, my information is below, and we would be honored to be able to get you guys to continue to operate during this time. You are the lifeblood of our economy. You need to continue to operate. Keep fighting the good fight.